So, calculation using the knowledge of the right formula. So, for you to be able to calculate correctly in chemistry, you need the ability to write the correct formula. And we have already discussed that in our previous classes. So let's look at some example here. Example 1. Example 1. Calculate the relative molecular mass of carbon 4 oxide. So carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. Calculate the relative molecular mass of carbon 4 oxide. Carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. So, because we are asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of this particular compound, so for you to get the correct answer, you should be able to write the correct formula for carbon 4 oxide. Where mistake is made in the formula, then the calculation is wrong. Answer or solution. So the correct formula of carbon 4 oxide from what we have been doing before is formed between carbon and oxygen. Abi? Carbon has valency of 4 from what we have in the name of the compound. Oxygen is 2 normally. So 2 goes to this, 4 goes to the other one. So that one gives us C2O4, which is equal to CO2. So the correct formula is CO2. So you now bring in the values of the relative atomic masses given to you in the question into the formula. Carbon is 12, abi? So you now say relative molecular mass, which we have the short form as RMM, is now what, 12 plus oxygen, which is what, 16, times 2, which you have as the subscript. 12 plus 16 times 2. Relative atomic mass of carbon is 12, of oxygen is 16, but you have 2 here. So 16 times 2 will now give you 12 plus 32. 12 plus 32 will give us what? 44. So relative molecular mass. So this is the right answer. CO2. Right. Right answer. Let's now see. For students who mistakenly use wrong formula to carry out the calculation, let's see what they are likely to get. This is right. Maybe instead of carbon 4 oxide, the student now writes C2O because of the poor mastery of formula. You now bring in the relative atomic masses given again into the system. This is wrong. Wrong formula. So you have 12 times 2 plus 16. So 12 times 2 will give us what? 24. Abi? Plus 16 will give us what? I think that should be 40. So that is the importance of formula. I'm just trying to bring in that one for you to appreciate the importance of writing the correct formula. Where the formula is wrong, the calculation will be wrong, and points will be lost in any test or examination. Let's take more examples. Calculate example 2. We look at the right formula and the wrong formula and the implication of their results after the calculation. Calculate the relative molecular mass of magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium, relative atomic mass of magnesium is 24. It may be given, it may not be given in some exam. Hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. So let's look at the wrong formula and the right formula and the implication of the result. Right formula. Magnesium hydroxide is MgOH2. The bracket, once you are bringing in a number to constituent with 2 or more elements, you must put them in brackets in order not to create a confusion. Let's now look at the wrong formula, because some students could make such a mistake at any point in time. MgOH2. Let's say some students just leave it like this without putting brackets. So magnesium is 24. RMN of magnesium 24 plus oxygen is 16 plus hydrogen is 1, then times 2. So now I have to be 24 plus, I think that's 17 times 2. So that will give us 24 plus 2 times 17 should be 34. So that will be what? 58. That is using the right formula to do the calculation. Let's assume that the student is using this formula for his or her own calculation. Let's see what the result will be. RMM will be MgOH2, which means that Mg is 24 plus 16 plus 1 times 2. Hydrogen is 1. So 24 plus plus 1 times 2. 24 plus 16 plus 2. So this will give us 42. 42. You can see the difference. So if they are marking this in WAEC or NECO or any of the external exam, they begin to get 0 mark from this. All the steps 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 over 4. Yeah, this one, if each step carry 1 mark, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that is 4 over 4. That is where external examination is marked. So some students will say, but I tried now. At least I did the calculation. But people marking will not look at that. Chemistry is a peculiar subject in the sense that they want to see the accuracy. Once you make a mistake from the beginning, you get everything wrong. Everything will be marked wrong. So that is one of the